So here we are. I'm making soap, a new glycerin recipe I'm trying my hand on just for fun, and I'm making a trial batch of only 370 gram. I have a huge pot. I mixed lye solution and oils at the high temperature like always, and I just covered it and went to do my other things. When I came back, I saw this beautiful volcano. There is a beautiful crack, and I really love this gelling texture you can see now, which is breathing and bubbling. It seems the soap will be done very soon, maybe 5-7 minutes. I'll switch off the camera and keep on mixing it until it totally gels and then moves to the Vaseline phase. After this, I'll add my solvents and put the soap in the freezer. Let's see how it works. I hope I will have a chance to proceed with videoing this batch. Have a good day, everyone. This is how the soap looks after it's gained Vaseline phase and ethyl alcohol was added. I added 200 gram of ethyl alcohol, and I will take a whisk and I will keep on whisking it, and you can see that all the soap is being dissolved very beautifully. I apologize for moving the camera, but it's very interesting to watch. How does it look now? And it's basically nearly totally dissolved. We will wait for most of it to dissolve. I will switch on the cooker on heat because it's now totally off, and we will keep on adding glycerin and sugars. So the soap is dissolving. I'm really happy with it. I will take the glycerin and pour it. The amount of glycerin is 125 gram. The glycerin is also an alcohol. It helps to make transparent soap more transparent, and also easy to melt later back. So actually my plan for this soap is not only to make transparent soap but easily remeltable. I will just take a whisk. I will mix a little bit, and at this point I will just let it sit. I will cover it and get back in around 15 minutes to add the leftovers of solvents. Will be 125 gram of sugar mixed with water. Let's see. Oh my, what is happening here? I think my heat is too strong, so I'm switching it off and I'm taking the soap off. I'm trying not to burn myself. But look at this. Look at this. Can you see what I see? It's totally transparent except the foam and bubbles on the top, which can be truly saying easily taken out. The recipe caters for 125 gram more of sugars and 50 gram of water to make a sugar syrup. Truly saying, I will make a test batch right now, so I will take a little amount without sugar and freeze it in a freezer and check how it goes. But I have my sugars prepared, and if I am unhappy with the result of transparency, I will add the sugars in total amount which was marked in the recipe. But I'm a such soap maker, a greedy soap maker. I like to leave the ingredients aside if they are not obligatory. I always like to experiment and check if it's really required, or maybe it can be substituted with something or totally avoided. So let's see. I'm truly saying I'm extremely happy with this look, and the color is sunshine yellow. Just to update everyone, it's 150 gram of coconut and 270 gram of rice bran oil, which gives such a beautiful shade. I'm truly excited. This is how our soap looks like after adding glycerin and cooking it for the next 15 minutes. It's really truly transparent. I will try not to overheat it because it starts to foam, which I don't like. And here we have sugar syrup prepared. 50 gram of water and 125 gram of white sugar. And here is a soap. It's a test batch after adding alcohol and glycerin, but no sugars. Let me show it to you on the sun. So when you look at it, it doesn't look transparent, but when I hold it to the sun, of course we see that it's more transparent than normal bar of soap. Like for example, I don't know, I have leftovers of soap here, but this is tiny piece, so it's not really good example. But here it is, this transparent soap, which is not super transparent. What I will do, I will leave it and I will add the sugars. I'm adding the sugars. It starts foaming here. Okay, I'm sorry, I will take a whisk and show you what we have here. Here it is. So I added sugar and I mixed it. Oops, I lost it there. Anyway, the professional soap makers of transparent soap claim that cooking impacts the transparency. In my small experience, not much, but I've tried to believe and follow some rules. Not all of them, but this one I will try to check. Anyway, I will make now a tester batch once again already right away after adding sugar, and I will keep on cooking it for 30 minutes and see how it goes next. Let's see together. This is the result I gained with adding this amount of sugars. So after the last part of video, it was added 125 gram of sugar in 50 milliliters of water, and we got this quite a transparent soap. I think for such combination of oils, quite a good result. Not saying and mentioning that it got hard, solid in a freezer for around like 7-8 minutes, maybe 10, not more. So I think it's quite good result. What do you think?